Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Okay, I'm not seeing any dents on the door at all, but I do see a scratch here. Okay, let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're gonna have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler has no scratches at all. And the back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel here is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. Okay, the door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing no scratches at all, no dents. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Okay, let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Everything looks good. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. That looks very good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.